Good morning. It's windy out today. Well, breezy, not windy, but it's gorgeous. It feels wonderful. It's refreshing, actually. So, let's do a garden check. So, flowers are still there. Some have come off. I don't know what that means. And then there's more. I gotta cut the basil down again. And more flowers under here. So whatever's starting is starting. So, oh, there's more under there. So it's getting exciting. Jalapenos are looking good. I have to cut back on some more are budding. And my buddies are walking around the garden with me. This used to be Zeke's thing. And these are looking good. My little thing flew on them, so I'm just gonna move that back to where it was. I'm thinking these should have flowers coming up soon. Oh, that looks like there might be flowers down there. And then once the flowers start, I guess everything else will start. We shall see. Bubby's looking for apples. He loves eating the apples that fall off the tree. And we're okay with that. More jalapenos. I guess they're jalapenos. But I'm going to do what I was told to do. I do have paintbrushes to do it with too, but that seems to be working for now. Why do I hear a sheep or a lamb or a goat? Really close. But there's more string beans. We might get one more meal. They were really good last night though. Let's see, anything starting under the surprise one that we're doing. Let's see. Oh, there is something starting. See it? Oh, there too. We shall see.